Hi everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my course Advanced Web Scraping Tactics Python Playbook. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. If you're a data scientist or machine learning engineer, you would definitely be aware of the importance and the difficulty in collecting good data so that your models give you desired results. Even though websites are a big source of data, collecting it from them is not always straightforward. You're likely to face obstacles such as post forms, login pages, and different types of button inputs. In this course, I'll teach you various techniques and solutions to problems you're likely to encounter while trying to scrape data from websites. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include handling form submissions, handling cookies and button input values, and uploading files to a web page during scraping. When you're finished with this course, you'll have a solid base on the problems that crop up during web scraping and their solutions. There are two prerequisites for this course. First would be an intermediate level knowledge of Python programming. Secondly, since this is an advanced web scraping course, you'll need to have knowledge on how to do basic web scraping. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to navigate and circumvent the problems that come up during web scraping with the Advanced Web Scraping Tactics Python Playbook course at Pluralsight.